Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all feeling blessed. In today's video we're going to make this honey garlic oven baked salmon steaks recipe. It's a quick and easy salmon steaks recipe, so if you guys are interested to see more of how I make this recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got these beautiful salmon steaks. It's nice and clean. Just going to go in with a piece of paper towel and pat the excess water off the salmon. Next we're going to get our bowl and add all of our ingredients inside of the bowl. So the first ingredients which I'll be using is our soy sauce, which is right there. Next we're going to add some fresh lemon juice. Along with our fresh lemon juice, we're going to go in with some extra virgin olive oil. Next we're going to add our garlic powder to add more flavor to these salmon steaks. Now I'm going in with my peanut sauce, which is optional for this recipe, guys. If you want more flavor to your salmon steaks, I would definitely suggest the peanut sauce. We're going to add our fresh minced garlic, fresh parsley, next I'm going to go in with some paprika seasoning, which is going to add that nice bright color to the salmon steaks. Then we're going to mix very well to combine those ingredients. Now we're going to set the sauce to the side. We're going to get our salmon steaks ready. That's what the sauce looks like. It looks pretty good. It smells amazing. We're going to add some honey to the sauce. It's going to give that nice sweet and savory flavor to these beautiful salmon steaks. Mix it very well, guys. Now we're going to get our brush and we're going to brush this delicious sauce onto the salmon. Make sure to coat the back and front of the salmon. So if you want a little bit more heat to these beautiful salmon steaks, you can go ahead and add some hot sauce to the sauce, and that will add more flavor as well to these beautiful salmon steaks. So this is a perfect weeknight dinner. You can serve it with some rice on the side, some veggies on the side, whatever you guys like. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and flipped the salmon steaks over to the opposite side. We're going to brush that delicious sauce onto the salmon steak just like that. In the meantime, we're going to get our oven ready. So we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Now that our salmon is fully seasoned, we're going to get our baking tray ready. So that's the remainder of the sauce. We're going to set that to the side. We're going to grease our baking tray. So you just want to add some extra virgin olive oil onto the baking tray. Place the salmon pieces just like that onto the tray. We're going to set these beautiful salmon to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. After baking for 15 to 20 minutes, this is the final results. Came out absolutely beautiful. It was nice and juicy, sweet and savory. I hope you guys enjoy watching this delicious honey garlic oven baked salmon steaks recipe. Like I said, it's a quick and easy recipe. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.